I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to change your plan with Rogers Online in Canada, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Plan Management. Once logged in, go to the My Plan section found in the account dashboard. This is where you can view your current plan details. Step 3. Select Change Plan option. Look for the option that says Change Plan or Upgrade/Downgrade. Click on it to see the available plans. Step 4. Review available plans. Browse through the different plans offered. Pay attention to the features and pricing to find one that suits your needs. Sometimes promotional deals might be available. Step 5. Confirm your selection. After choosing a new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your selection. You may need to review the terms and conditions before finalizing. Changing your plan can be straightforward if you follow these steps. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy planning!